rub that grease off you. And I know you've got to be really careful with their little faces. Not getting water in your little schnoz. Oh, you're a little cutie. You're a little cutie, aren't you?
So Curty boy's having a bath. He's hasn't had a bath since we left home, so that was 5 weeks ago. But Margaret certainly gives him little washes and puts this other stuff on him to keep him nice and clean and smelling nice. So we've just got to Denmark, and we've literally pulled up 15 minutes ago, and we've met these lovely people, Alan and Peter, that own this dog wash company on the side of the road, and you will not find better people. If you're in the area, these are the people to see to wash your dog. They are fantastic. Curty's in there now having a wash, and he's not enjoying it much, but he'll be all right. At least he'll smell nice at the end of the day. How's he going, Peter?
He's grunting.
Oh, he's grunting. He does a bit of grunting and snorting.
He's very talkative.
Yeah, how long have you been doing this?
6 months.
6 months. You're fairly new at it. That's good.
Yeah.
Enjoying it?
Yes, I am. I'm meeting lots of nice dogs and interesting, chatting to their owners.
Yeah, there's a lot of interesting people around, isn't there?
Yeah, and lots of people travelling with dogs.
Yeah. How long have you been in Denmark?
5 years.
5 years.
Yeah.
Beautiful place?
It is, yes.
Magic.
And fairly dog friendly.
Yeah, excellent, excellent.
Yeah.
All right, that sounds fantastic. Hopefully he'll come out looking and smelling fantastic.
I hope so.
All the best, Peter. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Paul. Hi, Margaret. Okay.
Good dog. Curty boy's having a wash. What do you think about that?
He's not real happy about it.
He's not real happy though.
He's grunting a lot. What's he like when you bath him, Margaret?
Yeah, pretty much the same. He doesn't like it.
Yeah.
He actually hates being in water, like the washing.
That whole experience is good fun. So yeah, it's been a good day. We've just got to Denmark. It's gorgeous so far. We don't know a lot about it, but the scenery, the landscape, the serenity here is amazing. And you know, the very first people that we spoke to are very down to earth and brilliant, and they just happen to be in business. Yeah, you can walk through here, just straight to the beach. Hence the reason why it's Aussie Adventures, eh? It's beautiful here. Elephant Rocks, Lower WA. It is gorgeous.